this is going to be a short one. You're going to be looking at my face, which is not talking because I forgot to turn off my microphone, so the battery is dead. I'm going to get a new battery, but I really wanted to make this video, so here it is, a voiceover. In the next couple of videos, I want to explore storytelling. This is something that I want to learn about myself, and I want to take you with me on that journey. Storytelling is something very human, and I think it's important. We share experiences and ideas, and we inspire each other with them. And, they take our mind off the day-to-day business, and they let us experience something outside of ourselves. I'm going to see what I can learn about storytelling, and most of all, how to apply it to music. I think that if we can learn how to tell great stories with our music, we've got a very powerful tool. Much more powerful than knowing how to create fart synthesizers. I have a feeling that good songs have good stories in them, and I want to see how I can dissect those stories, and maybe I'll find some common themes that go further than just song structure. Maybe I can find out why song structure exists. So, join me in the next video where I'm going to talk about and explore the story circle.